Manisya si asawang ang patuan. Jikon ka na lang na kayo makikot ko. Uling sa balagi. Johnny! Surprise ko. Yun sa kaniya pataas. Oh, yun sa.
In my next magic, I need a volunteer. What a volunteer? I need an adult. An adult. Who's adult here?
Dara. Adult man. Nakapadung dito. Adult na ipangita.
What? Wait a minute. Over there. Ito si ate, mga adult na. Ayan. Yes. Are you kuya? Ate? Oh, ayan. Ano kasi siya eh? Gwapo na gwapa. No? Ayan. Oh, are you from where?
Ato lang try ko City.
Oh, I thought you are from Canada. Oh, Canada? Canada Winona? Okay. What is your name?
Bridget Louise C. Adsong.
Okay. And how old are you?
10 years old.
Oh, 10 pa lang siya. Oh, I need adult. Kailangan mga 13 na mga anak. 10 years old pa lang siya. Ayan. Dapat peace or driver. Dapat 10 years old pa lang siya. Kasi medyo taas siya over. Kaya akala ko na. Over there. Ayan, over there. Ayan. Kailangan natin ng medyo adult na here. Asa? Si? Sir? Ay, wait, nanay, Pilaidan muna, pilaidan. Pila? Ay, 11, over there na lang. Dapat adult na, ha? Ano ito? Sige, ito, sir. Sir? Ay, ito. Atin pa. Ito ang totoong adult. Ayan, over here, sir. Ayan, aba. Sponsor pa ng paborito niya yan, sir, paborito.
Bisa ka rin pabete, katulong cameraman.
Gawin mo. Noriko. Sir, what is your name? Junard. Uy, Sir Junard. Hello, Sir Junard. How old are you, Pilaydad? 45. May asawa? Mayroon. Pila?
Uy!
Uy, mamarites ha? Pila asawa? 5. Susunod mo naman 5.
Imbis anak.
Unfaithful. Pila ang bata? 3. Sa? Una. Sa pangalawa? Wala na. Ang tulo? Wala na po. Pangapat? O baka wala sila tanan. Sir Jonard, mag-magic ta. At your age 45, do you believe in magic? Yes. Wow, English. Sir Jonard, over here. Okay, over Sir Jonard. Now, Sir Jonard, you need to follow me, okay? You know how to follow? You know the song, I will follow you wherever you are. You know that song? No. Sino kasi nakapanood din ng kanta, I will follow you. I will follow you. Where? You follow me in TikTok. Naka-TikTok, sir? No. Kisa na-TikTok din eh. Ako. Pila followers?
Ako. Pila followers. Pila followers.
100. Pila followers? Wow, 1.5. Pila followers, baby girl? Ikaw, baby girl. Hi. Busy siya. Ikaw, sir, wala kay TikTok? Pila followers?
Uyuan.
Usa. Kapalo na ko, kinsa na? Kapit. At asawa. Ay, kalabay, kakawin asawa pala. Oh, dapat mag-ayos tayo kasi ano si Senator Rapi Tulfo. Okay, now. Sir Jonard, you follow. You know what, kids? I also have TikTok. Yes. And I have 10,000. 10,000 following.
You beat me.
No followers. No follow back. Sir Jonard, you follow me, okay? Now close.
Hala.
Open. Close.
Yeah.
Open. Close. Open. Close, open. Close,
Agnes.
open. Close, open.
Yes, Agnes.
Close. Ay, clap your hands. Oh, you're okay, open, open, open. Now put your right hand over here. Now wave it like this. Now feel the magic. Now put it over here. Now ready and shake it to the left. Shake it to the right. Turn it around. Yes. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Now, oy, palakpakan. And because of that, you are ready for our magic. Our magic. Oh, what is this? Kids, what is this? What is this? A cup. What kind of cup? What kind of cup, sir? Panda cup? Oh, better, that's a panda ice cream. This is... Ano, sir? What? This is a paper cup. How many paper cup? Okay, so Jonat, ano sunod? Ano sunod? Ano sunod? Ano sunod? Nothing. One for you, one for me. Now, so Jonat, very good. Now ready and higher, higher. Now ready and shake it. Shake. No. It's correct. Shake your body. Shake body, body dance. Shake body. Very good. Now, Jonat, you are ready now. Put your hands, put your hand and relax. Now, kids, I have here. What is this? And you know what, kids? Water is so very important to our life because without water we can't live. Because water is
Life.
life. Water is life, and life is Wi-Fi. Now, Sir Jonard, ready, go. Now look, I'm gonna put water to the cup of Sir Jonard. Ready and I'm gonna put water to my cup. Look. Now, more water. More water. And more. And no more. What is inside of the cup? Water. Okay. Now. Okay, Sir Jonard. Higher. What is inside of the cup? Water. Now, Sir Jonard, higher. Sir Jonard, yes. Ready and shake it. No. Not your body, Sir Jonard. The cup. Shake the cup. Shake the cup like this. Shake the cup. Okay. Oh, Sir Jonard, let's face each other. Face each other. Yes, atubang. Now, oh, Sir Jonard, cheers. Kampai. Kampai. Now, let's change cup. Okay. Change cup. Yes. Put it above your head like this.
Pantay.
Be careful. Na too big. Be careful. Okay. Now, Sir Jonard, are you ready? Okay. Now, kids, are you ready for the magic?
Yes.
What is the magic words? No. Anong abra di cobra? It's old school. Panahon pa ng lolo ko. Now, let's go to the magic words in Sikihor. Now, Sir Jonard, close your eyes. Yes, that is the magic words in Sikihor. Up close your eyes, Sir Jonard, no cheating. So close your eyes, don't open it when I don't tell you to open. Feel the magic. Do you feel it? Open your eyes. Do you feel the magic, Sir Jonard? Yes. Now, Sir Jonard, let's do the magic. Are you ready? How about you, Sir Jonard? Are you ready? Do you trust me? Yes. Don't trust strangers. Now, Sir Jonard, ready and follow me. Shake it to the left. Shake it to the right. Turn it around. Ready and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, clap your hands to say, put it over here, Sir Jonard. No, away in the cup, I clap your hands to Sir Jonard. Ayan, up. Wait, Sir Jonard, because of that, I'm gonna give you something. Because you are very good in magic, of course, I will give you my pet. Up. Sir Jonard, isuka? Isuka dili. Iso kamay. Iso kamay. Dito ko. Ako iso wala. Sige. Sir Jonard, naglantaw ka ng GMGS. Hindi ka soho. Nakalantaw. Taging balita in 15 minutes. Sa hospital. Now, kamalo ka ko anong masunod ni? Walay tiil, walay kamot. Only head and tail. What is that? Sir Jonard. Sulti mo, iso ka gamay. Dali. Go, Sir Jonard. Come on. Don't worry, it's only a baby. Gamay na, gamay na. Sir, iso ka gamay.
What?
Ano?
Wala ka dito.
Sulti mo, iso ka gamay. Only, don't worry, no poison. Slowly, ha? Slowly. Dali. Sunod sa sunod. Sunod mo ka, For the safety of Sir Jonard, I'm the one to get for you, Sir Jonard. Okay? Now, ready? Are you ready? Yes!
Piki.
It's fake. Fake news. It's a fake news. Ayan. Sir, yan na kayo tinood? Yan na kayo tinood? Yan na siya tinood. Sige, sir. You get it there. Don't worry, cobra na. Cobra, dili na python.
Python.
Cobra. Sige, go. What is inside?
Wala.
Sir Jonard, kape pa more. Nawala.
Wala.
Nawala.
Wala.
Open the zipper. Yes, over here, look. Nawala. Nawala. Wala, you see? It's nothing. Now, Sir Jonard, I know what you want. And everybody wants this para pampalit nila ang kanilang needs. Okay, what is that? Money. Now, Sir Jonard, and over here, do you like money? Yes. Isa galaan ay kwarta! Magtrabaho mo! Ikaw, Sir, galaan ka ng kwarta? Trabaho ka. Iyo, baligya. Okay, sir. Kung ganahan ka, kuha dala, dali, kuha kwarta. Kuha kwarta, dali. Nawala. Wala. Because you know why, sir? Wala. Because wala pa man sila nag-donate. Donation. Ay, or sa mga taga-SUMC. Sir, donation, sir. Wala na sweldo. Wala na sweldo na, wala pa. Ay, wala pa na siya sweldo. Wala pa yung sweldo na, ana. Wala siya, madam. Ay, kung wala yung kwarta. Ay, dali. Ayan, na kami trabaho. Wala pa. Kung magkano kami trabaho. Wala ko sa ibang kwarta. Nasa bangko ang kwarta nila. Nga? May kwarta? Okay ba? Okay. Of course, we don't kill money. We magic money. Now get the money. It's over there. Look. Nawala.
Wala. What na? Magic.
Ta-da! I know you like it. Okay, sir. If you get this, it's yours, okay? See it there? Pastor, get it, sir. Watanan. Alright, pasuro. Throw it away. You need to get the 50, not the 120. Get the 50. Come on. Dala. Hi! It's confetti. Throw it away. The 50 is here. Look. You need to get the 50, not the confetti. Okay, sir? Again. Faster. Go. Faster. Pas.
Confetti is up.
Hala, dito ka ng basura dala, sir. Again, you need to get the 50. Sir.
Magic.
Dapat pas.
Not real.
Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wala. Asa ba si Quinta?
Jackpot.
1, 2, 3. Pas. Ha? Asa naman? Asa na 50? Asa bulsa? Dali. Asa bulsa? May bulsa? Yung may bulsa. Ayan. Okay, kung natin ang...
Dali na kayo.
Now, get the 50. Sir, if you want to get the 50, you need to say the magic words.
Abracadabra.
The magic words. Ano nga ba ikaw?
Ando ay.
Ha? Marahon mo ko? Ikaw marahon ko, taga-secure ko. Ang magic words, of course, to shout, Happy birthday, baby Liam! That is the magic word. When you say it, you can get the 50. Ready, sir? Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, shout!
Happy birthday, Liam!
Oh, come on, go! Get it! Kaya na, Dini! Okay, sir, pass! Go! Pass!
Happy birthday, Liam!
Dito sa microphone, go!
Happy birthday, Liam!
Wala.
Yay! Ano, sir? That is yours. Yan. What did you say? Ano, sulti?
Thank you
Insa?
sa birthday.
Gama ko lang birthday. Dili ko birthday. Again, hatag. Ako mahatag. Hatag. Ano, sulti?
Thank you sa 50.
Thank you, Kinsa. Ano pangalan ko?
Christian.
Ang magician din.
Ay, Kuya Bunso.
No, this is not from me. That is from Baby Liam. What is the Baby Liam?
Happy birthday, baby Liam.
Because you know what? Gikan na sa down payment. Palakpakan to Sir Jonah. Sir Jonah, that is yours. Now let's go to the next magic. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go to our next magic.
Na.
Next magic, I need my magic wand.
Na.
And this is my magic wand.
Sana. Oh, mati.
Ha?
Martilyo. La. Piki. Rubber.
It's a prank.
Rubber.
Ay, ano ni? Hindi mo ni martilyo.
La. Ay, please stop na.
Here.
Please stop.
This is my magic. For the best. Hala, hala. In my next magic, okay, we're gonna put our music. The rope called in Chinese, pishi. What is it in Chinese? Pishi. Now yun na. Now kabalo na mo. Is pishi. How about in Japanese? Japanese. Ikaw ate Japanese ka? Really? Moshi moshi. Ano na? What is this in Japanese? What is in Japanese? You don't know?
You need to focus to the magic because it's so very, very fast. What's the color? Red. I think I may color blinding. What's the color? Red. Blue. Red. How about this one? Are you blind? In this time, you need to focus, okay? I'm gonna put this yellow rope inside of the blue fishy in just only 1 second. Only 1 second. Now don't close your eyes. First, I'm gonna put it outside. You see it outside? Now I'm gonna put it inside over here in just only 1 second. What palakpakan niya. I told you so very fast. Now, this time I'm gonna repeat the trick, but you need to focus and don't close your eyes. Okay, focus. You know what? My mentor said don't repeat the tricks, but me, I'm gonna repeat it for you. I'm gonna put this ready god in the blue fishy in just only 1 second. Again, only 1 second. Now look, see? Open your eyes. I'm gonna put it first outside. See? It's outside. I'm gonna put it inside. Over here. In just only. I think dahil taga Sikihor din, may kumukontra. Are you ready? Are you ready? Now look, I'm gonna put it inside. In just only 1. Now, because it's inside, see, the 2 ropes are inside because I put it there, you see? Now this time, I'm gonna get these 2 ropes in only 1 second. Again, this time 2 ropes, okay? Focus, now look. Are you ready? Now this time, you are the one to count, okay? You are the one to count. Are you ready? 1. Oh, Clarence! Okay.
Now, in my next magic, who like animals?
Everybody together, 1, 2, 3, shout! What is this? What?
Look at